Okay, so in this age of internet or the information age, it's very easy to find information about a lot of different topics that you can imagine in your mind. But what are some credible sources where you can get information from? And if you are just someone who is curious about everything and wants to know about something, so what are some places and what are some websites on the internet where you on which you can rely on and get information? And not just that, what are some general ways to get information about any topic that you want? So if you are someone who is curious, then you can continue with the video. So the first thing that you must know, okay, let's just cross it up. The first thing that you must know is the basic stuff, that how to browse the internet. And most people actually know how to browse the internet, but they don't know what are the softwares used for, basically. Okay, so Google Chrome, as you can know, so this is a browsing software, a browser. As you know, browsing software is something which helps you serve the internet. Okay, so whatever website you would enter in this particular section, it would the browser will connect your computer to that particular website. Okay, so let's not get into those much detail, but this is a basic Chrome homepage. And now if you would search for anything on it, you can see a small G icon on it. It means that whatever word you would enter here, the Google search engine will perform the search. Let's say you would search Ant-Man. Okay, so if you would search the Ant-Man, you can see that google.com/search whatever it is written. So the word Ant-Man is being searched by the Google all over the internet, and whatever information it finds is related, the related information it finds with the word Ant-Man, it has listed here. So as you have written Ant-Man, you can see the cast of the movie, the Wikipedia page about the Ant-Man, the marvel.com website, there is something, an article or page like which has written Ant-Man and the Wasp. And on IMDb there is a page called Ant-Man. So whatever information it can find about the particular topic, Google will show you. Google is simply a search engine. Okay, so let's say let's try some other search engine like DuckDuckGo. Okay, so I have typed the URL, and by typing the URL you can bypass the search engine, because you don't need search engine, you actually know the URL. So if you know the URL of all the websites, you can bypass search engine. And not actually, it is not called bypassing the search engine. Actually, you cannot, instead of using search engine, you can directly enter the URL and go to that particular website without the help of search engine. And with the help of search engine, let's say you wrote DuckDuckGo. Okay, so DuckDuckGo, let's say I don't know the actual domain name, so I searched whatever I know, the keywords like DuckDuckGo. So it has listed all of the details about anything which has something written like DuckDuckGo. So the first is the original website, which is this, and if you would click on it, you will get to the same website that you have opened earlier. Okay, so there is no difference in that. So let's just close it. Now in this tab, if you would again search for anything like Netflix. Okay, Netflix. Now this term is searched not by the Google, this term is searched by the DuckDuckGo search engine. Okay, so every search engine has some unique its unique way to present the information. So it's the way of this search engine DuckDuckGo to present the information. So there is some brief information about it, and this information is taken from this source, which is Wikipedia. I would tell you about this a little bit later, but as you can see on play.google.com, there is a page called Netflix. It is the Google Play Store, and if you would click on it, you can see it's on the Google Play. So let's get back to the page, and here you can find related information. So sticking, let's just stick to the Google browser. Now if you search here Netflix, okay, so Google has its own way to present the information, but almost all of the search engines are similar. So you can scroll down, and if you want more information, you can click on next. So this was all the basic stuff, and you might have known that earlier, but the main thing starts from here. So the main thing was, if you want information about any topic in detail, so you would just simply go to the Wikipedia website, because this is the website which contains information about almost all of the topics that you can imagine on your mind. Almost all of the topics, I am not saying that 100%, but almost all of the topics that you can imagine, from universe, from flashlight, from phones, cars, any person, any famous person. So if you want any detail about these things, you can go to this Wikipedia website. So to search on it, you can just simply go to Google, your search engine, your default search engine, and write, for example, fly, house fly, okay, house fly, and type wiki or Wikipedia. So it would show you, the Google search engine, as you know, it would show you relevant information that it has found. Now you can click on this housefly and Wikipedia page, and when you would click it, you will be redirected to the housefly page of the Wikipedia. Okay, there is one other method to do so. So you can simply go to the Wikipedia website, wikipedia.org. Okay, and when you would go to the Wikipedia website, you can simply search here as well, housefly. Okay, so housefly, when you would click it, then you would be redirected to the same page. This and this page are the same. It is a prerequisite for you to know the English language, because you know your native language, that's fine and that's good, but to get the information from all around the world, you have to know a global language, that is English, fortunately or unfortunately. So you have to learn English language. So when you have command on these things, then you can find and search for any information that you want, and you won't have any problems.